In this tip of the day, I want to demonstrate how you can easily load an image into OneCNC to assist when creating a part. Now, the only requirements is that the image be a JPEG or a bitmap file. Now, to load the image within OneCNC, it's very simple. Just head up here to the upper left-hand corner, select File, and then select Trace Image. Now, from there, you want to click on the little ellipsis button. This is how you can locate the file. I'm going to be loading in a file that's on my desktop that's called print.jpg. I'm just going to double-click that. Make sure that display on screen is set to on. Image transparency is set to 100%. And I'm telling OneCNC that I want the lower left-hand corner of the image to be at X0, Y1, and the width of the image to be 10 inches. I'm going to click OK to that. And there we go. Now we have the image within OneCNC. Now I can easily reference that image to create this part. For example, I can see this part is 6 inches long by 3 inches tall. So we'll head over here to our line tools, rectangle. I'm just going to grid point snap that. There we go. We're at X6, Y-3. That looks good. Let's put this fillet in. We know that that fillet has a radius of 1 inch. So we'll go to fillet, radius of 1 inch. We're going to put that in there. This chamfer is 2 inches long. So we'll head over here to chamfer. It's already set to 2. I'm just going to left click and left click. Let's create this circle now. This circle has a radius of 1 inch, which means the diameter is 2 inches. That's going to be placed at X 3.5, and the Y value is going to be at minus 1.5. We'll click OK to that. And then all we have to do now is create just this circle up here. That's going to have a diameter of 0.5, and we can just snap the arc center with that, and then right-hand mouse click. So you can see it's very easy to load an image into OneCNC and use that as a reference. Now, it doesn't necessarily have to be a print. Maybe it's a rendering of this part. So if we go back in here to File, Trace Image, and this time, instead of loading the print, we're going to load a rendering of the part. This happens to be a bitmap or a BMP file. I'm going to double-click that. I'm going to use the same parameters and click OK. Once again, you've easily imported an image into OneCNC that you can use as a reference. Now, when you no longer need this image, to get rid of it, simply go back into Trace Image and just turn this option underneath Display on Screen to off. Click OK, and that's it. All right, that's it for this tip of the day. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.